Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to copy the path of a file to the clipboard. First method is type folder options in Windows search bar. Click folder options. Click View tab. Check display the full path in the title bar. Click Apply, OK. Open File Explorer. Full file path is displayed. Simply copy the file path. Second method is press Shift key, plus mouse right click. Click Copy as path. Thanks for watching. I hope this video tutorial helps to solve the problem. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you next video.